How to make snake juice for dummies. This is what you will need: water, potassium chloride powder, sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, magnesium sulfate. Let's begin. These are the amount you will need. So grab a pen and paper and write it down or save this video. Water, 2 liter. One teaspoon of potassium chloride powder. 1/2 teaspoon of sodium chloride. 1 teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate. The last one is optional, and for God's sake, make sure it is food grade if you do add it. One-half teaspoon of magnesium sulfate, food grade. Let's recap. Like, comment, and share this video if it helped you.